Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss on a detail what is big rig liar. So we continue our video. Big rig accidents can lead to catastrophic injuries or even death. For big rig accident victims and their families, the trauma of being in a major accident is made worse by having to deal with multiple parties afterward. This is when an experienced big rig truck accident attorney can help. At the Dominguez film, we have been successfully handling big rig accident for over 3 decades. If you or a family member were injured or killed in a big rig accident, call us today for a free consultation at 877 space 265 space 2167. We have the experience and resources to handle your case so you receive the conception you deserve. Is a big rig the same as a semi? Yes, a tractor truck with a trailer until and or a flatbed attached is known by several different names. Whether you call it a semi big rig, 18-wheeler or a tractor trailer, they are all names for these large commercial trucks. Unfortunately, the number of a big rig accident has increased over the last few years. There were other disturbing trends as well. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA), point number 1, from 2016 to 2017, the number of large truck crashes increased by 4% from 1,12,000 in 2016 to 1,16,000 in 2017. Point number 2, the number of fatalities in crashes involving large trucking increased by 9% between 2016 and 2017. There were 4,369 deaths in 2016 as opposed to 4,761 in 2017. Point number 3 and last. Of those 4,761 fatalities in 2017 and 3,450 or 72% of them were occupants of other vehicles. What compensation can I receive after a big rig accident? The damage is legal speak for the financial compensation you are entitled to after a big rig accident depends on your injuries and the property damage you have suffered. These accidents can leave victims with permanent injuries as well as lasting mental scars, and in many cases victims are forced to miss work for week and month. Depending on the person profession, they may never be able to return to the job they held before their big rig accidents. There is no exact formula for calculating what case is worth. However, major accidents involving big rig usually result is sizable settlement amounts for victims or any next of kin. There are several reasons for this, including point number 1, injuries to the occupants of passenger vehicles hit by a big rig are often catastrophic. The medical bills associated with treating those injuries can go into the hundreds of thousands and even millions of dollars. Point number 2, if there are permanent injuries, the person could require long-term care and home modification. Point number 3, rehabilitations and or physical therapy may be necessary for an extended length of time. Point number 4, given the traumatic nature of a big rig accident, victims often need ongoing mental health care. Point number 5, many times a person cannot return to work. Point number 6 and last, if someone was killed in a big rig accident, their next of kin would have the right of file wrongful death claims. Their claim can go into the millions of dollars. All of this does not even take property damage into the account as well. The truck accident liar at the Dominguez from the compare your case with similar cases that they have successfully handled. They will allow them to give you a general idea for what your case will be worth. Do not trust the trucking company representatives or their insurance agents to go to the right things. There may be objective ways to close your claim as quickly as they can be least amount possible. Call the Dominus from Studio at 877 space 265 space 2167 for a free big rig accident case evaluation. And you do not have to worry about the cost of legal representation because you incur no upfront expenses or hidden legal fees. And if we do not win, you do not pay, so call us today. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative and interesting videos at the end. So we will soon meet.